In the heart of a vast green jungle, where tall trees touched the sky and the air was filled with bird song, lived a powerful lion named Aran. Aran was the king of the jungle. His mane was golden like the morning sun. His roar was so loud that even the wind seemed to stop and listen. All animals feared Aran. When he walked, the ground felt heavy. When he roared, the jungle went silent. But Aran believed something very simple. Power means control, he thought. Fear keeps me king. One hot afternoon, Aran rested near a river. As he closed his eyes, he heard soft crying. It was not loud, it was weak, it was afraid. Aran opened his eyes and followed the sound. Behind some bushes, he saw a small deer. Its leg was trapped between sharp rocks. The deer trembled, expecting death. "Please," the deer whispered, "I don't want to die." Aran looked at the deer. Hunger rose in his chest. This was easy prey. But then, something strange happened. The deer looked at Aran not with anger, not with hate, but with hope. Aran stepped closer. The deer closed its eyes. Instead of attacking, Aran used his powerful paws. He pushed the rocks aside. The deer's leg was free. The deer stared in shock. You saved me," the deer said softly. Aran said nothing. He turned and walked away. That night, Aran could not sleep. The jungle felt different, quieter, heavier. Days passed. One morning, Aran heard screams. Hunters had entered the jungle. Their traps were everywhere. Animals ran in fear. Aran climbed a hill and roared. Not a roar of anger, but a roar of warning. The jungle answered. Elephants blocked paths. Monkeys dropped rocks from trees. Birds cried loudly in the sky. Aran led them. For the first time, the king did not rule with fear. He ruled with courage. The hunters fled.